Today we talk about how can you enable light dark mode on your FxPro app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. And you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on more down here, and you just click here on more. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on appearance, so just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on color section here, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just click here on dark. So then automatically here it's going to change with you to dark mode like you see now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.